Dick tip.
Dick tip.
Dick tip.
Dick tip. Dick tip.
Dick tip.
Make sure you got proper form when splitting wood, or else you could damage the handle. You'll be shoveling snow. If you don't have a snow shovel, a transfer shovel works almost as well.
If you're getting up, take a piss, feed the stove. If you're going to be using a Dutch oven, make sure to bring lots of butter or lard.
Oh, lard.
Lard is the
Always remember your gun.
Get your apple strudel from the discount rack at your local bakery. Dick tip.
We could try again.
Dick tip. Always line your Dutch oven with tin foil for easy cleanup and non-stick ability.